Hello children, ray optic continuation. So we are going to learn that rules for drawing image formed by the spherical lenses. See, first we have to see the principal focus is the point on the principal axis of the lens at which if the object is placed, then you will get the image will be formed at infinite position for convex and as well as you can see for the concave. The second one is you have to see the second principal focus is the point on the principal axis of the lens at which the image is formed, means when the object which is kept at infinite, that is the position. Now we can move on to that the derivation for the thin lens formula for a convex lens. Okay, now it will the image will form as a real image, right? So consider this object which is AB is placed perpendicular to the principal axis of a thin convex lens, C, right, which is kept at between f1 and 2f1, right? A real inverted and magnified image will be formed on A dash B dash. Okay, this will be formed where it is because of it is in the beyond C on the other side of the lens. Now you have to take the triangles of ABC, and before that we will see the distances of U, V, F and R. Okay, so the distance between the BC which is equal to object distance and the distance between the CB dash which is equal to image distance V, and the distance between CF2 which is equal to small f, that is focal length, and R, the radius of curvature, which is 2f1c. So now we can see the similar triangles from the similar triangles of ABC and A dash B dash C. So we will get A dash B dash by AB which is equal to CB dash by CB. We will take, right? So like that same way we will take the triangles MCF2 and A dash B dash F2. Check it. So that two triangles are the similar triangles, so that we have taken A dash B dash by MC which is equal to B dash F2 by CF2. Check it, right? So we can write this as A dash B dash by AB which is equal to B dash F2 by CF2. So we are going to compare these two equations. From this two equation we will get the right hand side CB dash by CB which is equal to B dash F2 by CF2. Now CB dash by CB is directly we can take it B dash F2. Check B dash F2. We can take that. So from the center of curvature we have to take it. So CB dash minus CF2, if you did it, you will get B dash F2. Okay, so CB dash minus CF2 by CF2. So according to new Cartesian sign, we will say that CB which is equal to minus U, right? And CB dash which is equal to plus V, which is in that side of the right side, image distance on the right side as per the new Cartesian sign, and we will get CF2 which is equal to plus F. Okay, so now by applying this we will get 1 by V minus 1 by U which is equal to 1 by F. So this proves that the lens formula for a convex lens when it forms a real image, right? So now we are seeing linear magnification. So what is linear magnification? That is the linear magnification which is produced by a lens is defined as the ratio of the size of the image formed by the lens to the size of the object, that we can denote it by M. So M which is equal to size of the image by size of the object. So we have written, we can write I by O. Now from the diagrammatical expression we can compare the triangles and we will get A dash B dash by AB which is equal to CB dash by CB. By applying this new Cartesian sign convention we will get the values of a dash b dash, which is nothing but what? Minus I, because that is downward direction, downward image height, right? Then AB, which is equal to plus O, that is because of upward object height. And we can take that image distance on the right, so that CB dash, which is equal to plus V, and CB, which is equal to minus U, because of the object distance on left. So applying this Cartesian sign, we will get the size of the image by size of the object, which is equal to minus H2 by plus H1. So that minus I by plus O, which is equal to plus V by minus U. Okay, or we can write M, which is equal to I by O, which is equal to V by U. So magnification in terms of V and F, we can write M, which is equal to F minus V by F. Okay, so magnification in terms of U and F, we should say M, which is equal to F by F minus U. Got it, children? Thank you.